Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Adhoc Pepe chili cutter and spice grinder. Dried spice cutter with aroma bottom cap. It's in homemade red chili flakes, as you like, in stainless steel 8 inches. We have here a manual spice cutter. Precious cut mechanism. This has stainless steel blades with sharply attached teeth and dry spice cutting. Dried herbs and spices are cut, not ground, releasing more aroma and, of course, more flavor. And it is a clean kitchen tool. The bottom cap protects the spice and keeps the countertop and cooking surface clean. And the spice mill grinder. It cuts dried chili, ginger, pink pepper, fennel, caraway, mustard, seed, and more. And this is a high quality kitchen tool. Adhoc is devoted to tasteful design for one of a kind products. And this comes to you for everything. Features a clear acrylic body that easily provides a view of what's inside. And we have the bottom cap. This protects the spice and keeps the countertop and the cooking surface, of course, clean. It's suited for a wide variety of spice and patented precision cut mechanism. This has special stainless steel blades with sharply edged teeth. This will grind everything. We keep our dried herbs and spice fresh with the Adhoc Pepe chili cutter and the spice grinder. The stainless steel and acrylic cutter is specially designed to cut dried herbs and turn any spice into a real eye-catcher on our table. The stainless steel cutter is equipped with the original Adhoc Pepe cut, a special cutting mechanism for the optimal slicing of the dried herbs and spices. The patented mechanism allows for the release of aromas and flavors from essential oils, characterized by the exceptional and elegant acrylic chili shape and stainless steel design. This manual spice cutter features a clear plastic body that provides a view of the inside. It will fit easily in our hand for effortless filling and cutting. We add the unique Adhoc chili cutter and the spice grinder to our collection for all our dried spice and needs. This product comes in the detail dimensions of 1.77 inches to 2.36 inches to 8.07 inches. The weight is 0.39 pounds. It is made of stainless steel and acrylic. We wipe and clean only this thing. It is by Adhoc since 1995. The Adhoc team has been developed, designed, and produced according to the principle design follows function. This principle follows the idea that more solid functionality leads to more beauty, more quality, and more value. The innovative functions of each item are true rarity. Whether we are an everyday cook or a kitchen professional, all tasks can become a thrilling experience with these elegant and simple kitchen accessories. All Adhoc products come with a 2-year manufacturer guarantee. This guarantee is a really awesome thing because it makes the grinding process more convenient. This is the Adhoc Pepe chili cutter and spice grinder with dried spice. It can cut nearly everything with aroma bottom cap. Homemade red chili flakes, for example, stainless steel 8 inches. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.